Hello and welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. This channel was created to help beginners in affiliate marketing get their business started the right way, without wasting time and money. Secondly, to give you the skills and tools required to make your first dollar online. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, smash the like button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos. In today's video we are going to cover the question: how do I become a millionaire as a teenager? The beauty about the internet is, there is no age limit to when you can start an online business. I suggest an online business is the best place to start because of the low startup cost required with no ceiling on the returns you can get. To get started, you need two things to make $1 million. Firstly, you need to sell something. And secondly, you need someone to sell it to. The best thing about an online business is your marketplace is worldwide, and once you automate your business there is no limit on how many sales you can make. Let's break things down first. To sell $1 million of anything, you can either sell 1 million $1 products. Good luck with that. $1,000 products. Or $110,000 products. I would focus on the high ticket products because, basically it means you have less products to sell over the year to achieve your goal. And I would also suggest looking at an affiliate product to sell, that way you don't have to worry about the time, logistics and cost required to take that product to market. All you have to do is focus on driving more traffic to your offer. First step. Sell something. It's not hard to find anything to sell. Currently, you don't need to own the product you want to sell. If you want to sell physical goods, dropship them directly from AliExpress and other similar platforms. If you want to sell courses or apps, you can become an affiliate to another company. So anytime you introduce them to the client, you're going to get a commission, which is usually a percentage of the gross sale price. The higher the better, so you need to do your homework. Or you might even be able to offer services locally. But remember, with this strategy you are still trading time for money and it will be difficult to leverage and scale up. Step 2. Somebody to sell it to. This part is the toughest part. You need to learn the art of paid traffic. To get fastest results, ads can be a printing machine for money. Or focus on organic traffic to start with. I would suggest go down this road because of the $0 requirement to get started. But it's going to take time before you start to see any real results, but they will happen. This technique I call sweat equity. This is the best place to start, especially when you are young and time rich but cash poor. This is my story. My first online business involved affiliate marketing and I sold movie memberships before Netflix was a thing. I used Google Ads to promote it, and I would sell between 10 and 20 memberships a day, with a 50% commission. That worked out to be $35 a sale. My ad costs were roughly 50% of my gross sales. But not too bad, considering it only took about 5 minutes a day to maintain. That's the best part about an internet business. Once it's set up, everything is automated and you can then leverage and scale it up. But be warned, as I said before, I would start with organic traffic. Because if you don't know what you are doing, then paid traffic will eat into your profits, if not wipe them out entirely. Best to start low and then reinvest your profits into education to scale your business. Initially it did take me a couple of years to learn how to make it successful, and I had to try a lot of ideas before I found one that worked. The world in which we live makes it so much easier to go from $0 to $1 million. Making money online does not discriminate against your age, race or gender. Making money online will be the same thing for a teen as an adult. I've heard of people who are homeless, drug users, single parents, or even in jail, and through the internet, they make more money than they ever did their whole life. If you click on the link below this video that says, "My #1 recommendation to earn a full-time income online," that is the company that I have aligned with to promote their products. They have both high and low ticket items you can sell. Plus they offer a business training called the 15-day challenge. This will teach you everything you need to know to get started online with your own business for only a $7 investment. From my experience, this is the best place to start as a beginner. If you've liked this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.